On this week's pre-owned showcase, we take a look at this 2022 Forest River Sandpiper 379 FLOK. This beautiful fifth wheel has a generous pass-through storage space with docking station. And just take a look at this awesome outdoor kitchen. Next to it is the second of two exterior entry doors. Whether you're heading into the hallway or directly into the central kitchen, you have multiple entry points for convenience. Once inside, you're greeted by a bright and efficient kitchen and dining area. In the center is a beautiful island with a large stainless sink and solid surface countertops. The kitchen is fully equipped with modern appliances, including a large 4-burner range and side pantry with 3 slide-out bottom drawers. Additional storage hutches adorn both ends of the kitchen, providing even more space for your cooking essentials. Now, we'll step up into that luxurious front living room. Here you'll find a large hideaway TV, a built-in sound system, and a cozy fireplace, perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. 2 convertible sofa beds on the side slide-outs and dual theater recliners offer plenty of seating and extra sleeping options for guests. Heading to the rear, the second entry door provides quick access to the hallway and bathroom, making it convenient for quick stops while traveling. The tall step-in shower is roomy, and next to it is a side storage closet with washer and dryer hookups if needed. Finally, step into the private master bedroom at the rear of the trailer. The comfortable king-size bed is flanked by a full wall wardrobe and extra storage cabinets at the foot of the bed below a wall-mounted TV. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned recreational vehicles in stock at RV Depot Supercenter.